Welcome back to Learn Guitar. Myself Varun. In this video we will learn how to play the song Vasigara. It's Anupallavi part. In Hindi it is Zara Zara. It's Anupallavi part we will learn in this video. Hope you can learn from my video. Thank you. Anupallavi start from this note in third string, which is E. So third string, ninth fret. So that is E. So E, then second string, 8th fret, so which is G. So E, G. So this is actually the song. So that is E. You can play in the second string as well. This is E. Second string, 5th fret is also E. You can start from here as well. So I think you can play in the third string, which is very easy for you, rather than playing from this second string, this particular note, which is also E, 5th fret. So you can start third string, 9th fret. So third string, 9th fret, then second string, 8th, then 10th fret. So E, G, A, B, that is a note. E, G, A, B. So these many times you have to play these two notes, that is A and B. So E, G, A, B. So this is it. So E in the third string, that is 8th fret, sorry, 9th fret, and this one in second string. Rest of the notes are in second string. Second string, this is 8th fret, this is 10th fret, this is 12th fret, and at last this 7th note also, 7th fret also is coming, that is F sharp. This is it. I will play once again. E, G, A, B, A, B, A, B, then G, F sharp. Next is, that is A, B. These all notes are in the second string. See, in the 10th fret you need to strike 3 times, then B. So A, 3 strike, then B. That is F sharp, F sharp, sorry, G, G, F sharp, E. And next part is this is a very interesting part. In Tamil, Nee Alaipaye. So that is E, A, F sharp. So E, A. So in A you need to strike 4 times. E, A, then F sharp. So that is F sharp, A, B, A, B. And next is na ra ra. If you are playing in this first string, it will be very good. Okay, so this particular fret, that is 7th. So 7th fret, then to the 12th fret. So this note is actually B. B, E, B. Or else you can play in the second string. Second string 12th fret is B. So it is very easy. You can play like this. 12th fret of first string as well as second string. Second string 12th fret is B. First string 12th fret is E. You need to play B and E. Or else you can play it from here. It sounds better than this one. Same note. This is actually more good. B, E, B. So this is B, E, B, then da ra ra ra, da na na na, and next is, so this is B, E, B, next is B, F sharp, B. Next part is 2 strike at B. Na, na. So this is B, 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 then G, G, F sharp, E. Na, na, na. That is A and B. This is D and E. And again, and this time B, E, B, then B, D, C, sorry, A. This is A. That is A, B, C. A, B, C, C, B, A. That is F sharp, G, A, F sharp. And then we will play Vasigara or Zara Zara. So that is actually in the Pallavi part, same as that of Pallavi. So if you are playing in this way, it will be next is so this is all in the second string, then in the first string. Only this part is in the second string, rest of them are in first string. So hope you can learn this song from my tutorial. Keep learning. Thank you.